All right, so let's look at an example. This is an example of a sort of potential hotspot concept. So this is, if you don't recognize it, a quickie sketch of a aluminum extruded mullion. So this is a plan detail sketch. I have the glass on one side, so the glass is two panes with an air space. There's the air space. I have glass on the other side, the two panes with the air space. And then I have this mullion in between. Let's say the question says, where's the thermal break? So, all right, we have to look at this and understand what's going on here. So I can very quickly see in this section right here, I'm not going to do the whole thing because it'll take too long, but you can see that that's the aluminum part that's at the exterior, and it has a little snap-on. That's what that little thing is there. That's a little snap-on spot so that they can just snap that on and give it a nice finished look. You'll often see that on a aluminum extruded curtain wall system or storefront system. Clearly, this is a screw in the middle, and that's holding a couple of things together. So I have the outside, I have the inside, and I don't want the aluminum of the outside to be touching the aluminum of the inside. If they do touch, then I get a cold bridge. I'm going to get cold is just going to come streaming in it, which is effectively actually the opposite of that. I'm losing heat to the outside is what's really happening. But we call it a cold bridge, and so I'm getting that coldness coming right in. And not only is it annoying because I'm, trying to condition the space in the middle of winter, and I'm bringing the outside winter in because the metal is outside and inside, and it's going to just be a problem. But the other problem is it's going to cause a huge amount of condensation. So I'm going to get water all over the place, I'm going to get damage, people are going to slip on the floor, I'll get sued, et cetera, et cetera. So there's lots of reasons why I don't want to have the aluminum outside be the same piece of aluminum that comes to the inside. So here's an example where I've got that outer piece that's snapping on, and then I have this inner piece, which is in this particular example, could be a bunch of different versions obviously, but this is also aluminum. And this is the part that's being screwed into place into this piece of aluminum. So what's happening here is I have an outer element and I have an inner element, and the thermal break wants to keep them separated. So where is that? Well, that's this thing right there. It's that one piece, and that thing is probably made out of neoprene, some sort of hard plastic, some sort of hard rubber, something like that. And it fits right in, it snaps into place, it's very strong, and it completely separates the outside aluminum from the inside aluminum. So I would have to put my hotspot cursor somewhere in that zone and then say, all right, click, that's where it is. Anywhere in that would function as a possible answer. So that's an example of hotspot.